Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 FCC approval. I'll have that coming right up. Got some good news. On Friday, the Federal Communications Commission, the FCC, approved the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Their documentation is always filed and it's always public knowledge, so I was able to pull that, and I'm going to put all of that information up on the screen. One of the pages of interest on it is the second page where it states there's a confidentiality agreement up through and including April the 30th. So what does that mean? We'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to throw the next slide up on the screen, and this shows the actual label that goes in the battery compartment, I believe, or on some other part of the aircraft to identify the model number and also the FCC information regarding radio communications. And that's something you see right now if you in your Mavic Pro or your Phantom 4 or your Mavic Air or Spark. That information is readily available on your aircraft. And you can see that on the screen right there. And of course, there'll be links in the description for all of this. What does confidentiality agreement through April 30th mean, Bill? It means that we're going to be seeing Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, that's a mouthful, coming out before the end of April. And it's my strong opinion that this is going to happen at NAB 2018. As you know, DJI is an exhibitor out there, and this is a very similar format in terms of IFA in Berlin, and seeing, well, as we did the Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian and also the Mavic Pro Platinum. So this is exactly the type of platform for this. This is a good venue for DJI to do this. And again, this is something that we will see during that. It's my opinion that we will see during this point in time. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about our channel. Also want to thank everybody. We just eclipsed 2,000 subscribers. Thank you all so very much. Going to have lots more great content coming up, so stay tuned and make sure you tell others about Bill the Drone Reviewer. Also check out our Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related, and also my blog where all the videos I do get posted out there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.